Alright, what's up guys? We're back with another video. Smoked the bait today out with my buddy Wyatt right here. So we're gonna see if we can put him on some fish. He wished for a redfish and a snook.
Oh yeah.
So we'll see if we can get him on that. And we're gonna be flipping pilchards and threadies under some docks, hoping for the best.
No, don't.
Alright, fish in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fish.
No fish.
Now you have a fish on your line.
There's a fish.
Bro, what's the actual...
Fish in 8 seconds, I mean. Sorry, guys. I don't like lying, but...
Yo, you ripped his lips literally right there.
Literally just him, bro.
He's good. That's natural.
Nobody saw nothing. Nice Mondo snook. What can I say, man? I just know my fish.
Alright.
There's a fish. There's one. It's a snapper. Oh, it's a jack. What the? Oh, there's multiple. There's like 3 or 4 right. They're still eating them. Well, guys, we just smoked another nice snapper. We're gonna put him in the live well. We got 2 up in there, so we might go back home, do a catch, clean, and cook out of them. Dude, he just came up and smoked it.
That swirl, I thought it was a snook.
That's another decent one.
You did say there was a fish.
I did called it too. Wish we were recording for all of it, but it don't matter.
That's going down. I don't know how he slips, but that's what's going down. Yep, eat it again.
That might be a Mondo snapper. That's a snapper. That'll keep.
Get this bit. No, stay.
Dude, that's a good snapper.
Let's go.
3 snapper, 1 snook. What a day. Great day right here, man.
I don't even know how I caught this, John. That fish was hooked whack.
Dang, that's not the best. Oh, well, we're coming home with meat at least.
Damn, baby. Oh, that was...
Yeah, she'll eat.
Oh, yep.
She'll eat. She'll eat.
You recording?
Yes, sir. She'll eat. There you go.
What's crack-a-lackin', boys?
Yes, sir.
Man,
The snook.
it's a lot for sure.
That's a lot all day of the week.
Alright, am I getting a photo with this, John?
Oh, I got 8 again. We're letting them chew. There we go. Dude, another one just ate the other one that came off my bait. Yeah, you can see him in the bag just chomping on it.
No. Bro. Oh, there we go. Touch it.
There you go, guys. Nice little like 12, 15-inch snook.
Oh, yep, 8.
Yes, sir.
They're almost like snapper with it. There we go.
They are. There you go. Dude, at first I thought it was a tarp. Yeah, I bet you once you get in that like whole way back there, that's like donezo.
Oh, yep, same bait. Didn't even rehook it.
Oh, I'm done. That's 8 instant. Yeah, I got 8. You just have
You
it.
gotta let them shoot for like 9 years.
There we go. Oh yeah, monster.
Oh,
monster.
oh my God, get the net, man.
All right, quick release.
Oh my god, it's a stud, man. Absolutely.
Behemoth right there?
Look how, bro, you didn't nail that thing. We choked it, man.
Behemoth?
Oh, God.
Look at that massive fish, guys. We're putting the reps to him, dog.
Oh, God.
These fish are never going to eat again after today.
Alright, we had to cut the hook on that guy. He was close. He inhaled that. I let him eat too long.
Oh, unfortunate. I just got dumped again. Oh, my bait got tangled around a tree and they're eating him. Oh my, dude, he has them, but he's in a tree. Let him eat. Yeah. This is the most action-packed fishing you guys will ever see on this channel.
What is that, 5 snook out of the same hole?
Yeah. I mean, Mondo's, as you could tell, though, so I mean.
Just hold him up to the camera real fast.
Like, he's about 25 inches. Oh, good release.
Good release.
Great release. Ate again, letting him chew. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, right there, guys.
Studs only.
Fish clinic. Fish clinic. Dude, good. I hooked him on the outside end.
No. That was a greenie, too. He's about to get marked. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh, he ate like a good one. He ate like a good one, man.
Brody got deceived. Peep another fish, guy.
Holy shit. Yo, it's a big fish. Big fish, big fish. I have no idea what it is, but it's big.
I think it's a red. Yeah, it's a red. You said you wanted a red. We got on the red, dog. Mo said big fish like it was like 45 inches. It's a good red.
Big and hard. Oh, there's another one under him.
Yeah, I don't have any rods rigged up.
No better. Yo, hold up. Yo.
That's a good one.
He might break, actually.
Fish in the boat, guys.
Dog an eater? It might be slot.
It could be an eater.
Regardless, we're getting a photo.
Exactly. We already got enough snapper anyways. Unless you want food for years, but. Yeah, guys, I'm currently just tying this FG knot. It's pretty sick knot.
Yeah. I thought it was a nice snook. I'm gonna be real.
Hey man, still a pretty W red. When was the last time you caught a red?
Been a little.
Been a little? It's alright, we popped the cherry on the boat as well, so.
Popping all the cherries, first time, baby.
Exactly. All we need is a trout and a snook for the, or a tarpon. We got the Grand O Slammo today.
Bro, I hooked them like perfectly in the corner.
Dude, the last couple reds I've been hooking have been like impossible to get out. Like they've been hooked so good.
You have pliers?
Oh yeah, I think so. Alright guys, peep the fish. Good fish right there. New subscriber, Cerna B.
Oh, type.
Appreciate you for subbing. Oh, I got you. W fish. Let's get a bad mamma jamma release on this heifer. Oh.
Okay.
My mullet.
Excuse me, sir. You saw that?
No, I didn't see it.
Yep. I got picked up. Dang.
Get it at me.
Yep, on. He has me wrapped around the pole. What the?
Buddy's wrapped like 8 different times. Yeah, I could pull you. Oh.
Dang, no.
That was probably the best fish of the day, too. but it's all right. Bro really got frayed. It looked like a red. He kind of shined under it a little. Oh, mate.
That's it.
Oh, he pulled hook. That's all right.
Where'd you put the cutter? What size hook were you throwing? 2-aught?
I put on the 1. Dude, I got 8 while reeling it.
That right there is slot.
That's got slot ran all over it.
Alright. No one tell FWC. He's coming home.
Might have to... Dang.
Devin, that was our dinner, man.
Shoot, dude. I found the Primo Greenie. Dang.
Into a tree.
Oh, there we go.
What? Bro, you literally hit a tree with that. Is he big?
He's not that big, but he's bigger than the ones we've been catching. Well, that was pretty quick. Dude, it landed.
Half a second.
It landed and he ate it. Put that mamma jamma right there. Dang, that's wild. He's making it out alive with a concussion.
Oh yeah, absolute stud.
Stud?
30 inches.
Dang,
here.
bro.
Look at this slob.
Mondo.
Not long arming, I swear.
That's a tank. Dude, the water's freezing.
Back up in here, yeah. Out on the bay, it wasn't. Oh, look at this.
That's a Primo. All right, guys, ready? Here's how you catch a fish in another 0.25 seconds. What you do is you throw it way back there, over the tree, count to 3, and you've got a fish on.
No, there's no shot, man. Calm down.
Dang, I stink at fishing. Oh, I did have a fish.
I saw your bait jumping. I was like...
Well, guys, that's how you catch a fish in 3 seconds. Oh, and release in 3 seconds as well. Couple inches wider. And I still can't catch the bait in there. Oh, we got swooped. Dude, I saw the fish come out and eat it. It's not a bad one. Yes, sir. Dang, bro. This is like I'm pretty sure this is my light rod.
No, I'm talking like a one.
Oh, yeah. Biggest snook of the day right here.
It's pretty good, actually. Damn. He's actually big,
Alright, there we go. Probably one of the best snook today. You know, it ain't saying much, but he is 23 and a half. Yeah, 23 and a half. Send him on his way.
You went. Yep. Oh, he dropped it. Yep. Oh, yep. Got him. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
You good? Buddy's really running that YouTube drag.
Yo, David, you want to grab your hat?
Yeah, I got it.
Get out. I got him out. I got him. No.
Here, I'll go over there 1 sec.
Oh, he's good. No. I got him out. No. No. Don't do that. Devin.
Don't worry, guys, I've retrieved my hat.
Devin, you might get
Is it a light right here?
Yeah. Can you give me...
Yeah, I got
fish
you.
first.
Well, I had to fish my hat out of the ocean.
My bad.
You
I
good?
was trying to go over your head. And I failed. No. He's a good. He's like 25.
He's right there.
Where?
You see him right there.
Oh, yeah. No. Oh. Come on.
Put this heifer down.
No, you broke it.
Dang, dude.
I'm not running. No, feel that drag. It's not that like. This is not locked down like you.
I go run that lot down.
Nah, feel this.
I mean,
that's how I always run my shit.
how did Brody be shooting like that and miss? Oh, snook just chased him and ate him. Dude, that's wild. Dude, he came from nowhere. Shoot, my bad, bro. You know we on that lockdown drag. No fish be escaping me.
Bro, I love how we run like completely different like strats. I be running light drag and that's like tight as fuck.
Well, you already know we gotta go tight for them docks. I literally just slowly reeled it out and he came out and munched it. Dude, I wish you could like see all that on camera. Ow. I guess we'll never know. I hooked a fish over the guy's thing. Oh, mate. Oh, wait. Yeah, there we go. It's a red. Oh, that's not good. The boat's still going. The boat's still going. The boat's still going.
Get on this side and keep walking down.
Sorry, yes, sir, Captain.
I'll watch the front. Just walk down.
My life, part of the sunshine.
Little.
Hey, bro, that's really mean, bro.
He's above average, actually.
Don't be doing me like that, bro. There's a snook behind him. Snook behind him. Right here, right below him. Right below him.
No, we
dropped it. Just drop it right there. Yeah. Dang, that's wild timing. There's like a 20-inch snook. Oh! Yeah.
That's about to go crazy.
That was sick.
Yo. That's flipping right there, the old double up.
My life. Sunshine.
You get here?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to angle the boat a different way. My life. We part of the sunshine. And just like that.
Yo, right. You get the double up there. Don't worry about it. Okay.
What do you think he goes? He's bleeding a little bit.
You wanna get the
Yeah, I got you.
double up in?
What do you think he goes? A whole 22. An inch shorter than yours. What do you think of Lad? Getting a good old release.
Good old release.
Otter just got munched. My greenie's doing interesting being 8 things.
Oh, drops it.
Absolutely smoking the fish.
Look at the dink, baby.
Dude, what they know about that dink life, bro?
2 doubles up in a row.
Yeah. Oh, guys, there's another double up. Nice little back-to-back double up.
I casted like on top of him, so he kind of got spooked.
My bait got stuck on all up on these oysters.
Bro, there's no bro, he's still back there.
Wish I hit that first cast, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, what?
He's coming back.
What? Watch out there.
He's still right there.
Bro, he literally like sniffed it.
Brody was getting you.
Oh, got him.
There you go. You can still see the line of this thing. Oh, it's their bait. He came undone.
Bro, I brought a tight drag too.
That's why we gotta lock down that drag. There's another 25. Oh. That was a decent one. Gosh, got 8. This looks like the one that was actually in the light. No drag cured. This one's pretty lengthy, I'm not gonna lie. In the boat she goes.
What's up, cuz? Fingering his mouth.
That's really hot.
I'm gonna keep that in the video for sure.
Alright guys, go. Nice, probably like 22, 23 inch snook.
I don't know if you can measure him.
What's that? 23 and a half. Head diving back. On his way he goes.
I'm casting on this pipe.
There's a fish. It's not the biggest, but Justin Menendez leader time. I love these critters. Oh, close enough.
I got like 8 instant in. Massive rock. Oh, what the? There's some snapper back there.
I just got smoked. Dude, I thought it was a snapper, so I was like, I'm letting him grub. Dude, my leader's like 6 inches, bro. Look at this. That has a little more than 6 inches, but fish.
Alright.
Let's get us away from this dock real quick. All right. It's another fish.
Yeah, what?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not expecting to catch any fish. With this, I'm not expecting to catch a fish. Oh my fish! It may be the dinkiest one alive, but that's a fish on a 6-inch leader. Oh, well, guys, there's another fish.
Do I have? Bro, what the?
Yeah. Oh, dude, I did the most primo cast.
No fish. Try. No.
Most of no fish trash.
That's a nice wave runner, kid. Yo, let me see.
Alright, what's up guys? So we just finished off the day. It's about like 6,
7.
it's about 7. But yeah, today was a great day of fishing. We managed to catch around like 30 snook, 2 redfish, and I believe 3 snapper. So we kept the snapper. We might do a catch, clean, and cook with that. If not, you won't be seeing that. But yeah, it was a good day today. My buddy over here, he wanted some snook and red, so you know, being the captain I am, we had to get him on. We had to get him on the snook and redfish today. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'd appreciate if you guys subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one.